In this video I will show you how to clean old wood furniture. Cleaning old wood furniture requires a gentle approach to avoid causing damage. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to clean old wood furniture. 1. Begin by removing loose dirt and dust from the surface of the furniture. You can use a soft brush or a microfiber cloth for this purpose. Pay attention to crevices, corners, and intricate details where dust tends to accumulate. 2. If the furniture has fabric or upholstery, use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to gently remove dust and debris. Be careful not to scratch the wood surface with the vacuum attachment. 3. Mix a small amount of mild soap, such as dish soap or Castile soap, with warm water. Dampen a soft cloth or sponge in the soapy water, wring it out well, and gently wipe down the wood surface. Avoid soaking the wood, and work in small sections. For tougher stains or sticky residue, you can mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Dampen a cloth with the vinegar solution and gently wipe the affected areas. Rinse with a clean, damp cloth afterward to remove any vinegar residue. 4. For stubborn stains, you can make a paste by mixing baking soda with a small amount of water. Apply the paste to the stained area, let it sit for a few minutes, and then gently scrub with a soft brush or cloth. Wipe away the paste with a clean, damp cloth. 6. Once the furniture is clean and dry, you can restore its luster by applying a small amount of lemon oil or beeswax polish. Use a soft cloth to apply the polish in the direction of the wood grain. 7. Before applying any cleaning solution or polish to the entire piece of furniture, test it in a small, inconspicuous area to ensure it doesn't cause damage or discoloration. 8. To keep your old wood furniture in good condition, dust it regularly and avoid exposing it to direct sunlight or extreme humidity. Remember to always check the manufacturer's recommendations and any care instructions specific to your piece of furniture. If in doubt, consult with a professional or an expert in antique furniture restoration. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.